सर P आहे 3, Q आहे 1 आणि 7 आहे, R आहे 2. झालं सर.
So what are the factors of 1176?
2 2 3 2 1 3 and okay 2 2
Now
2
if you divide by 2, what do you get?
588.
588.
Very good. Again you divide by 2, what do you get?
294.
294.
294.
Very good. Again you divide by 2.
147.
147.
147.
Now you cannot
Oh,
divide by 2.
three ne
You have to
करायचं.
divide by 3. What do you get?
49.
49. Now 49 is the square
Seven.
of 7. 7 is the
Seven.
prime number.
7 चे 2 येणार.
Correct.
Hmm.
So basically,
मग answer आहे P is 3.
is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7, which is 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 1 into 7 raised to 2. Now, if you compare with the given numbers, so we get P is equal to 3, Q is equal to 1, R is equal to 2. Is that correct?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh sir.
Okay. Now they have asked in the second part, this was the first part, finding the values. In the second part, the value of 2 raised to P into 3 raised to Q into 7 raised to minus R. You have to find the value of this. What does that mean? That means 2 raised to 3 into
Substitute
3
करायचं.
raised to 1 into 7 raised to minus 2. So what do you get? 8 into 3 upon 7
Minus
square. So you get 24 upon 49.
24 up.
Yes, correct.
Oh.
Yes sir.
बरोबर आहे?
हो सर.
Oh, sir.
Okay, चलो next. Something like this. तुम्हाला prove that type questions येणार आहेत का नाही असं काय सांगितलंय का?
सर काहीच नाही सांगितलं.
काहीच नाही
असं
सांगितलं
नाही
sir.
सांगितलं म्हणजे मग येऊ शकतात. ठीक आहे. Anyways, we'll try to evaluate this. Evaluate 16 upon 81 raised to minus 3 by 4 into 49 upon 9 raised to 3 by 2 divided by 343 divided by 216 raised to 2 by 3. Huh? Try it.
आधी
Sir,
जो पहिला 16/81 आहे ना त्याला आधी रेसिप्रोकल करून घ्या म्हणजे आपली
good.
इंडेक्स पॉझिटिव्ह होईल.
Very good. Then what?
मग याला आपण असं करू शकतो हे पूर्ण लिहायचं.
7/3 raised to 2.
Okay.
7/6 raised to 3.
Can I do that like this? Can I?
नाही सर, कारण तुम्ही
Sir,
असं
त्याला
केलं तर
पण
त्याची
तुम्ही
पॉवर
हे करू
निगेटिव्ह
शकता.
होईल.
काय करायला लागेल त्याला?
सर हे इथे 343/216.
काय 343 काय?
सर त्याची पॉवर पण निगेटिव्ह होईल ना मग 206.
मी डिव्हिजनचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलंय बघा ना.
ओके, हा कळलं सर.
मग चालेल का विचारतोय मी?
हो.
हो सर चालेल ना. हो रेसिप्रोकल
मग डायरेक्टली केलं मी. डिव्हिजनचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं आणि याचा रेसिप्रोकल घेतला. द साइन ऑफ द इंडेक्स विल रिमेन द सेम. नाउ व्हॉट इज 81? 81 म्हणजे काय? 3 चा 3 raised to 4
आणि खालचा 2.
करेक्ट. What is 49? 7
7.
square.
7
आणि 3.
What is 3 square? What is
6 आणि 7.
6 आणि 7.
cube? Very good. And 7 cube. So finally you get हे cancel
3
होणार.
raised to 3.
3 हाँ 3 raised
3
to
upon 3 raised to 3 upon 2 raised to 3.
2 raised to 3 into 7 raised to 3
To 3 upon 3
upon
raised to 3.
3 raised to 3. 3 raised to
7
3 cancel.
6 raised to 3. 7 raised to 3.
6 raised to 3 9.
2 sorry 6 raised to 2.
हाँ 6 raised to
6 raised
2
to 2.
upon 7 raised to 2. आता ह्याच्यामध्ये एक 7 raised to एक कट होणार, so you get 7 into 36 upon 2 into 2 into 2.
2 into 2.
8.
So हा झाला
8.
8 म्हणजे हा झाला 4 नी कट केलं तर होणार आहे 9.
9.
So 9 7 जा 63 upon 2 म्हणजे 31.
31.5.
Correct. Simplify 5 raised to n plus 3 minus 6 into 5 raised to n plus 1 divided by 9 into 5 raised to n minus 5 raised to n into 2 raised to 2. How will you do this?
तर वरचे सगळे टर्म्स घेणार रेस टू चे.
So 5 raised to n plus 3 means 5 raised to n into 5 raised to 3 minus 6. Okay, for time being keep 6 as it is. 6 into again 5 raised to n into 5 raised to 1. Okay, कारण a raised to m plus n is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n. Okay, similarly from the denominator you can take 5 raised to n common and then you will have 9 minus 2 square.
सर ते पुढच्या स्टेपला केलं तरी चालेल ना?
हो चालेल की 5 cube minus 6 into 5 divided by 5 raised to n. So basically you can get rid of 5 raised to n. So you get 125 minus 30 upon 5. How much is it? 95 upon 5.
95.
Answer 19.
सर.
Okay. Next, simplify again. 8 raised to 3a into 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 8a. Okay. Sorry, 2 raised to 2a divided by 4 into 2 raised to 11a into 2 raised to minus 2a. Okay, can you do this?
हो सर.
See, 8 can be written as 2 cube. Right, and 4 can be written as
9n
square.
प्लस सर 9 होईल ना त्याचा पहिल्याचा.
हो ना,
9
स्टेप बाय स्टेप करूया ना आपण.
पण जर आपण फुल घेतलं तर येते 2 raised to 11a plus 5 न्यूमरेटरचा.
So you get 2 raised to 9a plus 5, 9a plus 5 plus 2a upon 2 raised to 2 plus 11a minus 2a. So
a
finally you are going
is equal to 1.5.
2 raised to 11a plus 5 upon 2 raised to 9a plus 2. Barabar? Now if you take this to the numerator, okay, what is going to happen?
तर ते मायनस होणार सगळं.
2
Minus.
raised to 11a minus 9a
minus
5 minus
into bracket 9a minus 2. So bracket द्यायची मग minus करायचं 9a plus 2 sorry. So finally you get 2 raised to 11a plus 5 minus 9a minus 2. So you get 2 raised to 2a plus 3. बरोबर आहे का?
हो सर.
Very good. Simplify. 3 into 27 raised to n plus 1 plus 9 into 3 raised to 3n minus 1 upon 8 into 3 raised to 3n minus 5 into 27 raised to n. Can you do this?
टू येईल.
9 म्हणतो 2 म्हणतो नक्की.
तर 28 येईल ना?
2 चे सर.
मला काहीतरी वेगळंच आहे अपॉन मध्ये.
अरे बापरे, असं कसं काय?
अरे जे 1/3 घेशील ते त्याच्यातला 3 ह्याच्यात घे डिनॉमिनेटरला.
So you get here 3 raised to 3n plus 4. मी थोडा डायरेक्ट करतोय minus 3 raised to 3n plus 1 upon 3 raised to 3n into 3.
तर सेम आलाय मला.
हा, मग here you get 3 raised to 3n plus 1 मी बाजूला काढतो into 3 raised to 3 minus 3 raised to 3n plus 1. Actually 3 raised to तुम्ही जर बघितलं, you can take 3 raised to 3n plus 1 common from numerator and you can cancel it directly. कळतंय ना मी काय लिहितोय हे सगळ्यांना? So you can take 3 raised to 3n plus 1 common from the numerator. You get 3 raised to 3 minus 1 upon 3 raised to 3n plus 1. You can cancel it. 3 raised to 3 is 27 minus 1, 26.
ओके.
हे प्लस आहे त्यामुळं 1 ऍड होणार नाही, मायनस नाही होणार, ऍड होणार. 28 येईल, नॉट 26. हे प्लस आहे रे, मी मायनस घेतलं चुकून, प्लस आहे सगळं. This should be 28. कोणाचं आलं 20? Evaluate. Root of 1 upon 4 plus 0.01 raised to half minus half minus 27 raised to 2 by 3. How will you do this?
तर हा तुम्हाला जमणार
करतोय सर.
नव्हता.
सगळ्यात पहिले रूट 1/4 हाफ होऊन जाईल.
हो.
बरोबर. आणि ह्याचा रेसिप्रोकल घेतला. ओके. And this will be
आणि हे 3 raised to 3.
very good. This is nothing but
to
square
2.
root of 0.01 which means 0.1. That's
1.
it. 3 cancel, 3 square. So half plus 10. What is 1 upon 0.1? 10.
10.
Minus 3 square. So half plus 10 minus 9. So you get half plus 1. 3 by 2 or 1/2. Please check.
Yes sir.
आले सर.
3 by 2.
सर.
Express with positive index. So index must be positive in the final answer. For example, we have 32 raised to minus 2 upon 5 divided by 125 raised to minus 2 by 3. Okay, so here if you take the reciprocal of 32, okay, you are going to make the index positive, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Again, you are going to take reciprocal of 125 and you are going to make the index positive, right? So here,
division
nothing but 2 raised to 5. 32 is 2 raised to 5. And 125 is nothing but 5 cube. Yes. So here you are going to get 1 upon 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5. 5 will get cancelled. Divided by 1 upon 5 raised to 3 into 2 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. So you get 1 upon 2 square divided by 1 upon 5 square. अरे बरोबर आहे का नाही?
हो सर.
बरोबर आहे. आता हेच आन्सर ठेवायचं का काय करायचं आता पुढे?
सर त्याला सिम्प्लिफाय.
See here there is division, so at least you can simplify by using multiplication and taking the reciprocal. When you multiply, don't change the sign, you just have to take the reciprocal. बरीच लोक मी असं करताना बघितलंय. आता कशाला मायनस करायचं? आता येते का लक्षात? We are not taking the reciprocal only, we are converting division into multiplication. So the final answer is 5 upon 2, म्हणजे basically 2 upon 2 raised to 2. So 5 upon 2 raised to 2. This is called expressing with positive index. इंडेक्स आला पाहिजे. तुम्ही ह्याचा आन्सर 25/4 असं लिहिलं तर मे बी okay, so 25/4 that is 6/1/4. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
This express with positive index. One minus n raised to -1 ही curly bracket है, raised to -1 square bracket raised to -1 again. Try this. Which bracket you will solve first?
Small.
The inner. Yes, did you get this? Solve root of 3/5 raised to 1 minus 2x is equal to 417/27. How will you do this?
सर हा तर वर्कशीट मध्ये दिलाय.
मग तेच म्हणलं मी. How will you do this?
आधी हे जे 4 आपण असं करू शकतो 3/5
सर
raised to 1 minus 2x.
5 ला रेसिप्रोकल करून.
अरे आधी मला बोलू
नाही, आधी रेस टू हाफ लिहा ना, सोपं जाईल.
रेस टू हाफ तेच म्हणजे
आणि हे
आपण डायरेक्ट 125/27 125/27.
So what is 125/27? 5/3 cube.
5 raised to 3 cube.
बरोबर ना? Now
आपण इकडं
this will become
3/5
3/5 raised to 1 minus 2x/2.
raised to 1 minus 2x/2.
Now ह्याचा रेसिप्रोकल घ्या तुम्ही.
आता आपल्याला बेस सेम करायचे. बेस सेम करायचे म्हणून
सो 5
राईट हँड साइडचे रेसिप्रोकल घेऊन -3 करायचं. सर आपण लेफ्ट हँड साइडची घेऊ ना.
राईट साइडची घेऊया आपण. लेफ्ट हँड साइड तसंच ठेवूया. इट विल बी बेटर. So 1 minus 2x/2 is equal to 3/5 raised to -3. Now compare the indices and solve it. 1 minus 2x/2 is -3, which means that
मग तू इकडे गेला -6 झालं.
-7. minus 2x is
-7.
So x is -7/-2. So x will be
minus cancel 7/2 झालं.
x is 3.5. Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's do the exercise then directly. Let us say find x if
तर एक क्वेश्चन या ना सर.
59 raised to x plus 4 is equal to 7 square into 343 raised to x plus 1. Can you do this? That's correct. Okay. हा कुठला म्हणतोय रे तू?
तर हा तो आहे if 8 raised to x into 4 raised to y is equal to 32.
Where is it?
तर तो आम्हाला मॅमने वर्कशीट मध्ये दिलाय.
मग सांग मला. हा
तर तो चॅप्टर
If
वाईज
8 raised to x into 4 raised to y into 4 raised to y
into 4 raised to y.
is equal to 32
हा
and 81 raised to x divided by 27 raised to y is equal to 3.
easy.
Find x and y.
कन्वर्ट करायचं आणि मग ह्याचं हे काढायचं.
Yes, you will get two equations in x and y, and you have to solve them simultaneously, and you will get that.
Okay. So I'll write it down.
So here you will get the equation 3x plus 2y equal to 5, first equation. Okay, and for the second one, you are going to get 3 raised to 4 raised to x upon 3 raised to y is equal to 3 raised to 1. Correct?
हो सर.
So you get 3 raised to 4x upon 3 raised to 3y is equal to 3 raised to 1. So take it to the numerator, you get 3 raised to 4x minus 3y is equal to 3 raised to 1. If you compare, you will get 4x minus 3y equal to 1. This is equation 2.
Okay.
Correct?
हो सर.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now solve it by using equating the coefficients. You can multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2 so that the coefficients of y will be plus 6 and minus 6 respectively, and you can add them. Okay, so the equations you are going to get are, let's do it on the next page. पहिल्या इक्वेशन ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? 3 नी, म्हणजे 9x plus 6y is equal to 15. That will be equation 3, and you are going to add them. So plus 8x minus 6y is equal to 2.
तर 11/17 येतं.
If you add 17x नाही रे, 11 कसं येईल? 17x is equal to 17, so x will be 1.
X is 1.
हा बरोबर ना?
सर सेकंड इक्वेशनला
2 नी मल्टिप्लाय करायचं
आहे ना?
2 नी करायचंय, तरच हे इक्वेट होणार ना कोएफिशिएंट, नाही तर कसे होतील? Now you can put the value of x in any one of the equations you like. First equation मध्ये put करा.
Y पण 1 आहे सर.
3 into 1 plus 2y equal to 5. So you get 2y is equal to 5 minus 2, 5 minus 3, sorry. So 2y is equal to 2. That means y is equal
also
to 1.
Okay, sir.
Y is equal to 1.
B मधला 11th आहे. तर तुम्ही 7th B मधला 11th देतायत ना?
Find m and n. For 4 raised to 2m is equal to cube root of 16 raised to minus 6 upon n is equal to square root of 8 square. Can you do this?
हो. हो.
हो सर.
हो सर.
Okay, m is 3 by 4 and n is minus 8 by 3. Correct? Done, everyone?
हो सर.
हो सर झालं.
Root 32 raised to x divided by 2 raised to y plus 1 is 1, and 8 raised to y minus 16 raised to 4 minus x upon 2 is 0. Can you do this? Kara bagu. Same thing. You have to solve this first. Get an equation in x and y. Then you have to solve this plus second. Get an equation in x and y again. Do this. This one can be written as 2 raised to 0 just to equate the indices. कळलं काय कसं लिहिलं?
स्क्वेअर रूटचं काय झालं?
सॉरी, स्क्वेअर रूट राहिला 5/2 यायला पाहिजे ते. दिस शुड बी द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. व्हॉट अबाउट दिस? हे कसं करणार? You have to take this to the right hand side, otherwise you cannot compare, remember. So 2 cube raised to y is equal to 2 raised to 4 raised to 4 minus x by 2. So you get 2 raised to 3y is equal to 2 raised to 4 into bracket 4 minus x by 2. So you get 3y is equal to 16 minus 2x. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. Okay, now this is
2x
the
कसं झालं?
second equation, this is the first equation. Solve it simultaneously and you will get the answer. 19x is 38, so x will be 2 and y will be
4L.
correct. Y equal to 4. 13b 10th. Diagonals of rhombus ABCD intersect each other at point O. So diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular to each other. They are perpendicular bisectors of each other. They are not equal, obviously, but they bisect each other at 90 degrees. So this angle is 90. Let us say this is O. And ABCD is the rhombus. So we have to prove that OA square
plus OC
square is equal to 2AD square minus BD square upon 2. Okay, we have to think what sides are there on the left hand side. कुठले sides आहेत? OA and OC are there.
म्हणजे
ट्रायंगल AOD
ट्रायंगल A
आणि COD.
COD
AOD आणि COD घ्यायचा. बर, ओके.
तर का AOB आणि BOC घेतला तरी चालेल ना?
कुठले घेतले तरी चालणार आहे, because this is BD square. BD square is the diagonal and they bisect होतात. So DO is BO. So let's take triangle AOD. Yeah. In right triangle AOD, what do you get?
AD
AD square is equal to OA square plus
OD square. Right? So
म्हणजेच OA
A
square.
square is AD square minus OD square, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes sir.
बरोबर. But what is OD? OD किती येणार आहे?
OD is equal to OB square.
नाही, OD will be BD upon 2 whole square. बरोबर ना?
हो.
हा, कारण O is the midpoint of BD. असं आता लिहून टाका. That will be AD square minus BD square by 4. आता तरी असं लिहा. This is statement 1. Now again, in right triangle, आता कुठला right triangle घेणार आपण?
OBC.
COD.
COD.
Again, using Pythagoras theorem, what do you get?
OC square is equal to CD square minus OD square.
OC square plus OD square. So you get OC square is equal to CD square minus
OD square.
OD square.
आता right hand side ला ना CD आहे ना OD आहे, पण CD is nothing but AD. All sides are equal.
Equal in rhombus.
All sides are equal in rhombus. So you get OC square is equal to AD square. Again, what is ओसी ओसी आपल्याला सॉरी नॉट ओसी ओडी व्हॉट इज
ओडी ओडी बीडी स्क्वेअर अपॉन 2.
अरे नाही बाबा बीडी अपॉन 2 होल स्क्वेअर
हा तेच बीडी अपॉन 2 होल स्क्वेअर.
असं नाही म्हणायचं चुकतं ते. सो यू गेट ओसी स्क्वेअर इज एडी स्क्वेअर मायनस बीडी स्क्वेअर अपॉन 4. दिस इज स्टेटमेंट. नाव ऍड देम 1 आणि 2 ऍड करा. सो यू गेट ओए स्क्वेअर प्लस ओसी स्क्वेअर is equal to AD square minus BD square by 4 plus AD square minus BD square by 4. So बघा ना AD square आला 2AD square आणि minus BD square by 4 minus BD square by 4 किती आला minus BD square by 2. 1 by 4 किती होतात 1/2 होतात. झालं हे hence proved.
झालं.